In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now black. That means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and access Display. Now scroll one more time and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to disable or enable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!